Hello guys, welcome back to XTech. So today let's talk about air dusters and why it is a better choice when it comes to cleaning your PC. Dust in your PC is one of the reasons your PC might underperform. So these kind of air dusters comes in handy and you can pick one up online for very good price. I'll leave a link down in the description for this one. So let's see what we get in the box before we start cleaning. You get one nozzle with brush and one without. You get a USB charging cable and some paperwork. So this thing is rechargeable and you can use it with wire and without. So the battery in this one is 8000 mAh and the weight is 320 grams. Let's see how it performs when it comes to cleaning. The performance is very good. The only thing I would say is the noise. But at the end of the day, it cleans very good and one of the fastest way to clean your PC. So that was pretty much it guys. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye. See you next time.